cookies, cookies, cookies. Do I have your attention? Let's count down the top reasons why you should register for the Dartmouth Toastmasters June open house, happening June 7th. Reason number 4. We have cookies.
Wait, what? But there has to be cookies. Why? Does that mean? Awesome.
Okay, let's try again. Reason number 4. We have cake. Dartmouth Toastmasters just turned 60. We're celebrating our birthday at our next meeting, June 7th. We would be honored if you would join us for the celebration. Reason number 3. You will meet multiple club presidents. Come to our open house and meet not one, but 2 club presidents. That's right, too. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal. But instead of a boring coupon, you get to meet 2 amazing leaders helping to shape our club's history. Please wait until the end of the evening to ask for autographs. Reason number 2. Join us for our open house and save a little money if you become part of the Toastmasters family through Dartmouth Toastmasters. This year, we're footing the bill for the new member fee so you can focus on honing your public speaking skills and making new friends while saving along the way. Toastmasters International is increasing its membership dues August 1st, locking in the current price plus saving on the new member fees. Now is the time to visit our club. Let's be clear. There are still club dues to pay. We're helping you save on the new member fee, but this offer isn't a free lunch, and it ends on June 30th. Reason number 1. Are you ready to surround yourself with an amazing group of people? Look no further than the Dartmouth Toastmasters Open House. Our members are a dynamic bunch, full of life, humor, and a passion for public speaking. They come from all walks of life and bring a wealth of experiences to the table. And the best part, they're eager to welcome you into their fold. Come on in and meet the best bunch of people you'll ever encounter. Join us for our 60th birthday party open house on June 7th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and find out what Toastmasters is all about. Our friendly and welcoming members will be on hand to answer any questions you may have and to give you a taste of what it's like to be a part of our club. To save a spot, please register by emailing Lawrence at vppr@dartmouthtoastmasters.ca. Mark your calendars, and we'll see you at the Dartmouth Toastmasters 60th birthday party on the 7th. If you're in Halifax, don't despair. Come over to the dark side. We have cake.